right, so today I thought I would change it up and do a little bit of a different video than what I normally do. So I wanted to do an office tour. So I've been recording videos here for a while now, for the last couple months, and I really like it. I like the vibe, I like the backdrop. To be in my office making videos for YouTube as opposed to being at home or in a studio somewhere. This is actually where I see patients every day. So I wanted to show you guys what my office looks like. And if you are in Arizona and you would like to book an appointment with me, the office that you will be coming to. A little bit about my office. I'm located in Tempe. I've been here for about 2.5 years now. I have a little bit of a unique setup. I would call this, or people would call this, a micropractice. Probably a little bit more of a niche practice. There are certain things that I focus on, like foot pain, for example, plantar warts, ingrown toenails, surgical and non-surgical ingrown toenail removal, and also some aesthetic things too, like toenail restoration. I focus on a lot of laser therapy here as well, and regenerative medicine. So because of that, I don't need a ton of space. The building is shared with different practitioners. We all have our different offices in one building, different rooms. Eventually, as I expand to maybe other things like medical pedicures, for example, I'll need more space for that. But for right now, doing what I do, this is great. Without further ado, let's get started.
So this is the outside of my office from the parking lot located off of Highway 60 and Mill Avenue in Tempe. And I'm inside Ultimate Fitness Studios, which is a personal training studios, but it also has offices attached to the studio. And again, different practitioners. So we all have our names outside on the glass. And this is me, Direct Podiatry, Arizona. So just going to open the door here. And we have a little waiting room and a bookshelf here. So because I see one patient at a time, because I have one exam room, it's not like a lot of offices where the doctor's seeing 4 or 5 patients at any given time, juggling. My patients don't wait here for me that often, really no more than 5 minutes. But if they come with a family member or something that does not want to see the procedure or what I'm doing, this is a bookshelf here with the different practitioners and some of our services that we offer. So this is part of the offices. So we have, again, the personal trainer's office. We have a rolfing expert. We have one of 2 massage therapists, an esthetician. That gray doorway in the back is actually where the gym is for personal training. And then we have a little kitchen as well. And then just more office decor here. Essential oil diffuser vibes, love it. And then turning this corner here, we have the second massage therapist. Her door is open right now, her desk, and then we have bathrooms, of course. All right, so this is my office here, the white door, or my exam room, I guess I should say. And then opening it up, here she is. Ta-da! So I'm not going to go over every single thing that's in here. We'll just kind of hit the key points. Like, won't go through cabinet drawers or anything. So behind my door, I have a couple of white coats. I usually wear one, and then I have a second one just in case something spills on the first one, it gets dirty, something like that. I have this sign that I got from Amazon. It's cute too. So usually when I am here with a patient and I know other people are in the nearby area, I just hang that sign just so that they know that I'm with a patient and to be a little bit more mindful with their voices. So this is a swamp cooler, evaporative cooler here. So even though this exam room has a lot of light, just because one wall is essentially all windows, it can get warm in the summer. So this is perfect for that. Very grateful. And then I have the sharps container. So dirty needles, syringes, blades all go in there. The side table from Target. And then I have my exam chair, another find that I'm grateful for, the Ritter 223 to be specific. I have some pillows back here. They're not supposed to be back here, but yeah, didn't take them out for this video. Sorry. And then I have iRobot from my cousin Gabriel. Shout out to him. And then I'm going to demonstrate this chair here. So it is electric, which is nice. So it goes up and down. My pediatric patients really appreciate this chair a lot. It's fun for them, kind of like a little ride, I guess. So yeah, it can be raised, lowered. The back also can go up and down, which is really nice if people want to lie flat completely. And it has a little leg rest that comes out. So this is a Mayo stand. I usually will put like a drape on it and then my sterilized instruments for certain procedures. So that's great to have it like close by. I don't have to reach super far. I have another chair for family members or friends. Then I have this cabinet from IKEA, one of two cabinets. I have this acrylic sign from my friend Dr. Crystal Scott in St. Louis, Missouri. Shout out to you. I have this snake plant that I got from Home Depot a couple years ago. And then a centrifuge for PRP. Yes, I do offer PRP at this office. And then a mirror from Target. And then turning to the other wall, I have a second one of these IKEA cabinets. And then this is where I do my notes and charting and sit and talk with patients, things like that. So on this wall, I have my degrees and certificates. So the first one's from University Hospitals, where I did my residency in Cleveland, Ohio. And then I have Kent State University, Doctor of Podiatric Medicine, also in Ohio. And then my undergrad degree, New York Institute of Technology. So my husband has to hang the undergrad one. Off to the corner here, we have surgical shoes, different sizes, ankle braces of different sizes. And then I have my microphone here. I have a podcast with my friend, Dr. Cynthia Correa Cedeno in Orlando that I record here, and some books on private practice ownership. And then I have some curtains. That plant potter, a plant used to be in it, but it died. So I have to buy a new one. But yeah, these curtains are cute, very long. So good find. And yeah, for charting, I pretty much just use a MacBook, my laptop. And then for consent forms, I usually have my patients sign through an iPad. And I have a foot model here, nice to have just for patient education purposes. And then I have like a little plaque from residency too, that glass behind it. And then this is a laser Remy class 4 that I just got. Very excited to have it. So it treats all types of different foot problems, nail fungus, plantar warts. You can use it to do ingrown toenail removal, foot pain. So I'm super, super blessed, fortunate to have it just to offer a regenerative medicine option for foot issues. This chair here I usually sit in. This is a Ritter, I believe, as well. And one more just kind of overview, but this is it.
So that is it, everyone, for my office tour. I hope you liked. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, everyone, take care and wishing you good health. Bye.